Wagwan ENT.
Hey, are you ready to take the banana boat? Grab all of your relatives and remember that yard is one blood. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives us the greatest pleasure inside of Club Inferno Montego Bay to welcome one of reggae's finest voices, shining suns. His name is One Blood Junior Reid. Junior Reid, One Blood. Batman boy, Batman boy, coming away here, tonight, man. Coming out the dance, coming out the session. No boy, hey, no, give me the mix, boy. I say no man no rock to man no better than no man. No man no rock to man no better than no man. No man no bigger better brother than no man. Just make the whole of we make us as one. We happy about him and yes we happy about plan. Papa this them a deal with them, we keep it to themselves that we are boy. If Papa this them a deal with them, we keep it to themselves that we are boy. Simpleton, yes we are no simpleton, no. Simpleton, yes we are no simpleton. Jamaican massive, them are no simpleton. English massive, them are no simpleton. American massive, them are no simpleton. We are no simpleton. If a badness them and deal with them, we keep it to them because we are boys. And you know, still I see I eat a Rastafari and the medicine. I say bad boy Gula is gonna die tonight, one. Standing home. Say I fell in love with Jamaica. Hear me ling boy. Where all of the Jamaican girls them come shocking out. How? Give me the mix. We say no man no rock up the man no better than no man. Man no rock up the man no better than no man. No man no bigger better. Cut. Say you only got a few days more to get the guns you want out of the gun store. On the first day of Christmas, guess what Santa bring for me? A Glock, a Magnum, a rusty M3. Rap-a-pam-pam, we don't want to rap-a-pam. Rap-a-pam-pam, we don't want to rap-a-pam-pam. Rap-a-pam-pam, we don't want to rap-a-pam-pam. Rap-a-pam-pam, we don't want to rap-a-pam-pam. Say what is the meaning of rap-a-pam-pam? Now go tell another meaning of rap-a-pam-pam. Pam-pam, lick a shot out of the rap-a-pam-pam. And you get dropped through the rap-a-pam-pam. Say one Ghana prison through the rap-a-pam-pam. One a rubber life sentence through the rap-a-pam-pam. Well, Santa come to town with long gun in him hand. Tell me Santa Fraud where you a teach the youth man. Just give him a guitar and a mic in him. Make him done nice some stage show and make dance jam. And go in this world as a big musician. And shut all over the club and chant rap. Me no want no rap-a-pam-pam. Me no want no rap-a-pam-pam. Rap-a-pam, ready? On the first day of Christmas, guess what Santa bring for me? First day of Christmas, guess what? Give me this. Me say I got a Magnum and a rusty M3. Tell him us, ya tell me if he go shot somebody. But if me shot somebody and reach a GP, me know say Santa Fraud not go come visit me. Him not go make me liar, get no money. Him not go really take care of my family. Me don't want no rap-a-pam-pam, me don't want no rap-a-pam-pam. Rap-a-pam-pam. Give me your love is what I want. Cool it down, your love is what I want. Cause I say love is the answer, yeah. And love is the way, yes, love is the answer. Love is what we need in our heart today. I say love is the answer, boy. And love is the way, yes, love is the answer. Love is what we need in our heart today. We don't want no rap-a-pam-pam, we don't want no rap-a-pam-pam. Rap-a-pam. Hey. My friends is not my brethren, no, no. chat about big respect, ooh, but them are them. And some a come and tell you, say them check for you. Watch your life, them will take it from you. Where we call them friend enemy. Whoa, whoa. You need for them, stand your boy, friend enemy. Whoa. Give it a mix, whoa. We say the joy is in the sun and the sun is in the father. Love one another, love your sisters and brother. Respect your mother, blood thicker than water. No make even force come between you and your. They will try to separate us, yes, from each other. Give each other praise because Jah and the Father. Friend enemy, whoa. You live for them, stand your boy, friend enemy, whoa. Hear this? Cause some of them say that them bonafide, ooh, but them bonafide. Enough of them say that them article, ooh, but them and enough of come and chat about big respect, ooh, but them are they. And some of come and tell you, say them check for you. Watch your life, them will take it from you. What you call them? Whoa. You need them, stand your boy, friend enemy. My best friend, I talk about my best friend. He become my worst enemy. Oh yeah. In my worst enemy, oh Lord, he's trying to become my best friend. So some of them say that them bonafide, ooh, but them born to fry. Enough of them say that them article. There's one thing I'd like to say to you. These words that you hear, say no fi call we, no call we no banana boat man. Say no fi call we, no call we no banana boat man. That me say, what you chopper in him, no one no passport. Never travel through man the airport. They don't have the one poor man airport. But we leave out on a banana boat. Now them a run things. See the ragamuffin, them a run things. Hear me now. Say ragamuffin in a yard, in a foreign, in a Bronx, Manhattan lad, in a Brooklyn. Ragamuffin reach foreign, but no Yankee thing. But decide to marry and put on a ring. Send back a Yankee original thing. She go Bronx, Manhattan, make she go Brooklyn. My run things. See the ragamuffin, they my run things. Hear me now. That me say, hotel the chopper in him, no one no passport. Never travel through man the airport. They don't have the one poor man airport. But when leave out on a banana boat. Anyway, write the family, write them a love note. Much of a convertible sport. Everything in your house, that's all by remote. 5 grand a day, the ragga carry feet float. My run thing. See the ragamuffin, my run thing. Hear me now. So we no alien, we no Uncle Sam. Hey, the ragga, you no alien, we no alien in the Indian land. See the ragamuffin, my run things. With ears, without tears, one. See the ragamuffin, my run things, one. Now me say one week the ragga make me reach America. Run out of crackers, run out of water. Sacrifice up to make when you want better. You have to know flexing at the mirror matter. And I run things. See the ragamuffin, my run things. Hear me now. No. This is the original foreign man. Take the most of blind. Why? People, tell me now. Say New York nice what in it. Canada nice what in it. Say London nice what in it. Say they say Jamaica nice. Give me this. Living in Jamaica, that's a paradise. Cook me food, just I know we nice. But this is the original foreign mind. If you must be blind, you must be blind. Hear me now. So worry them, I worry It's all about their branching. Bacayado is living so poor. Right now he's down there sleeping on the floor. Can't you see? So worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them. I must have left, I must have blind. Worry them, I worry them, I worry them, I worry them for in mind. But now is a serious time. You better walk on chalk line. Life for hard. Life for hard. Life for hard. Tell about life, yeah. Why? Life for hard. Oh, life, yeah. See, life is one big road with a lots of sign. A lots of sign. You better make up your mind to face reality, boy. Hey. So many of sorrows, many of joy. Life can be fun, but never a joy. So many of good times, many of bad. Lord, many of good times, many of bad. Thanks for all those times that I had, but when the sun comes shines tomorrow, it come bless and come down the other day. Why? Take my advice, I explain to the crowd. It's halfway up, halfway down. That you know, whoa. Ain't gonna make mistakes, so take it weight out for me. I watch you every move, so girl don't let it be. A million times before, I was too glad to see the way she used every man, and now she wanted you. Diana, that's okay, and baby do what you want. I've got the stuff that you need, think that you want. Diana, Diana, no. Ain't gonna make mistakes, so take your weight off me. I watch you every move, so girl don't let it be. A million times before, I was too glad to see the way she used every man, she wanted his. Diana, that's okay, do what you want. You wanna see the band, never really rehearsed the band in a scene, but we just a dramatic, Diana know it all. And the band is wicked. Where's it? Alright. Get you up from fit, to with the short you got the small, to with the short you got the small. Well in the morning as I rise, put on my truck so got exercise. Reggae music make me fit. Walk on the road, me no trouble, no one, me no eat, no sleep, me no eat, no grandma go me as a vegetarian. Music is my application. Going to the field, go dig some yam. Dig some gun, use it, make a shaman, scoop in the gum and get it for you. Start to the sing, oh, what about that? Look how me big, look how me strong. Say me must live long. Hey, she won't be boy. Look how me big, look how me strong. Yes, me a vegetarian. Catch it. Hit you up, fit you up, fit. Yes, I hit you up, fit. To with the short, you got the small. To with the short, you got the small. Well in the morning, as I rest, put on my truck, so got exercise. Reggae music make me fit. Walk on the road, me no trouble, no one. Me no eat, no sleep, me no eat, no grandma go me as a vegetarian. Music is my application. Use my money buy food and waste. Now use my money about me a free kiss. No one put strap off from my waist. No one feel like me out of space. No guy now come put my tune. Take my chain out my big food. Him and him all got slip tough food. Laugh and take that big joke. Look how me big, look how me strong. I said most live long. Hey, she looking good. Look how me big, look how me strong. Yes, me a vegetarian. Take it out. Serious thing. And this is a message to all the youths. That we're not gonna find no politics, no. We're not gonna find no politics, cause why? I threw the Babylon release the chains, cause they might use it. Stone and yeah, now. The Babylon release the chains, but they might use them. See? Well, this one I'm gonna do for you is a brand new release, see? Out on the GR label. So you this one up. Sha la 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 la. And this one is to all of the dread them. We tread pan top and shave round the rim, saying, let's send some kill Bob Marley, no tread go trim, saying, so you them say, no, sha-la-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la, hear it? Say, gate man, I had a bounce offering. 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 Say, me and my brethren go away, say nothing. We go to a club and them no one let me in. What I say? Little bouncer, please let me in. Little bouncer, please let me in. Them say no, no, him say them not let me in. No, no, him say them not let me in. Him say, go to the barber, take a soul to soul trim. Straight pan the top, shave round the rim. Some in England, them a shave round the rim. Some in Jamaica, them a shave round the rim. Some in England, them a shave round the rim. All over the world, them a shave round the rim. Samson was strong until Samson get trim. Them kill Bob Marley and no dread go trim. Sorry for your man, we got dread and trim. But jump in the water when them know him can't swim. Eight man, I had a bouncer offering. 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 Say me a bumper don't go away, say nothing. We go to a club and them no one let me. What I say? Little bouncer, please let me. Little bouncer, please let me in. Him say no, no, him say them not let me in. No, no, him say them not let me. Him say go to the barber, take a soul to soul trim. Straight on the top, shave round the rim. Some crisscross, them a shave round the rim. Some tell a soul, them a shave round the rim. Some pain down, them a shave round the rim. Naughty by nature, shave round the rim. Original lion and the dread not trim. Now go no barber, figure shave round the rim. Stand your home. Then, a brand new release out on the street. So get it if you want it. Stand your home. Hear the new style now. Come like a dance style, keep again. I pay Maglin. No man a dance, no man a dance again. So me a flick that one a say it either. Lord, what a going in the dance. Stand your home. Pull on, hey, stand a day. Whoa, whoa, why yeah. You say no dance now, keep again. I pay Maglin. You say no dance now, keep again. Me if you wonder me, them a go and suck down your home. Just the other day, they pass up a front line. I have to make sure me not the latest design. Say just the other day, they pass up my tropics. I have to make sure me not the latest lick. And just the other day, me go out to Avenue. Now the latest style, they will laugh out for you. Now dance not keep again, just madly. Now dance now keep again, I be a man. Say just the other day we go a house and leave.
Walk one ENT.
Make them a go and so, make them a go and so, make them a go and so, yeah. Now dance now keep again, I just madly. I say now dance now keep again, I just madly. So my dread rolling, Lord, Lord. Nothing that they might do. Say so much shame round the rim, so much dread pan top. Some man, they might cherry girl. Can't tell the man, them different from the girl. Me have to wonder where I'm going in the world. Some man a turn, them pants back away. Me have to wonder if I saw them stay. Me have to wonder if the world gone get. But Jaja coming from his world one day. Now dance now keep again and be madly. Stone and in a row. Now dance now keep again just madly.
How would that just step?
Hey Madeleine one. Lady. This is a little song I wrote. You them know it, note for note. You could have come for Rima or you come for Jungle. Could have come for Firehouse or you come for Towile. Blood. When the vampires of the city, anti-blood. Lord, boy, you're anti-blood. Even now, you could have come for Rima or you come for Jungle. Could have come from firehouse or you come from the one. One blood, one blood, one blood. You could have come from Libya or you come from America. Could have come from Europe or you come from Africa. One blood, one blood, one blood. You could have be an Irishman or an Englishman. Could have be a Mexican or a with a Pakistan. One blood, one blood, one blood. Good up. Hey mate, whoa, I wanna get me straight. Down the road, whoa, I might. I'm good up. Massive, I wanna hear you. Hey girl, do you believe it? Love, love, hey blow, this is no joke. Be a Irishman or a Englishman, could I be a Mexican or the Lord one? Cool down. You see I come here on the banner here, so I want me and the audience get involved. See it? So, that the whole of we have blood. I say frozen blood, I will be here tonight. See it? The whole of we are. The whole of we are. You could have come from Rima or you come from Jungle. Could have come from Firehouse or you come from Tower. One. Massive. You could have be a Irishman or a Englishman. Could have be a Mexican or a with a Pakistan. One blood. You could have be a Catholic or a with a Anglican. Could have be a Church of God or a with a religion. One blood. Love your people.
Up by the road, yes.
I know you want a little bit more show. I know you want a little bit more show. In Inferno. Hey, Junior Reid, want you come back with a little more sweet. Junior Reid, want you come back with a little more sweet. Junior Reid, with some speed. Come in, Mr. Reid. You want a little bit more in the show. You want a little bit more in Inferno. Mr. Reid, with some speed. Go. One blood reader. Junior, one blood. Mr. Reid. One more. Call me Junior, Mr. Reid, Junior Reid, one blood in the place. Hey, someone show in the Inferno, Mr. Reid.
Lovely people, that you don't read love. Big up all massive, same kind of say, big respect. All of them youth, same. Youth man. Why the youth man? Whoa, Inton murderer. Why the youth man? Whoa, Inton murderer. Hear this? Funny now they get to go with him and fix. Police and soldier killing father. Every day get up with shut down from ya. But I got this, I think this is the bushmaster.
Wagwan ENT.